If they cheated, don't you dare believing another word that comes out of their mouth, because cheating is a repetitive decision they made over time. They decided, they chose to entertain the idea of being with someone else while they were with you. Then they decided to delete the messages. They decided the act of cheating. They decided to hide everything from you for this entire duration. I don't know how long it has been for you, but there is no way that you can trust them again. This is why I always say, if your partner broke that trust, broke this divine union that you two shared by being with someone else, it's done. Whether it's in emotional cheating or physical cheating, because there are two types of cheating. Emotional cheating is more of flirting online, this kind of stuff, because it's not physical. They didn't really hook up with a person and they say, oh no, nothing happened. But nothing, hey, nothing happened. I didn't do shit. It's just online. Sometimes they even justify it by saying, oh, it's like pornography. Don't you watch pornography from time to time? Whether you're a female or a male, it's the same. Not exactly, but you get the point. So if they gaslight you into believing that nothing happened and that's all right, don't take it, because emotional cheating is cheating. The minute that you entertain an idea of being with someone else and not with your loved one, the person that you promise to love, you make it a vow, maybe you're married or even just in a relationship, there is sanctity to a relationship. And now it's stained. Now it's gone. I know that it's hard for you because you are the betrayed partner, and this is why you're watching this. You're trying to get some answers, realizations as to what the fuck happened. Why? And sometimes you even think of reconciling with your ex. And I don't want you to go there. And I know that you take a lot of ease to know that they will suffer as well, which is perfectly normal and fine. Maybe you have some vindictive intentions that you want to see them suffer. You want to do better just, to spite them. And that's all right. Whatever works for you at this point to be better and to work on yourself, I don't even care at this point. If this is your motives, so be it. But make sure that you take care of yourself. Today's video is all about not believing the person who betrayed you. Don't believe a cheater. They deceived you once, they will deceive you again. This is why many times after people get cheated on by their partner, they start to gaslight you. This is when the cheaters start to gaslight you into believing that something is wrong with you. They didn't do this, or they didn't mean to, whatever. Just really, at this point, I'm saying whatever the fuck. I don't even care, because this is not true. So I really hope that you understand that you cannot believe what they are saying. Deep inside you, something broke. It needed to break. Look at this relationship. Look at what happened there as a lesson for you in life to grow, evolve, and become the best version of yourself. Because this is not the best version of yourself. The best version of yourself will not tolerate this type of behavior. Will not. Let's be honest, you will not tolerate this type of behavior. The best version of yourself is confident, is strong, is self-respecting. And you know that by actually taking them back, I don't taking them back, just entertaining the idea of taking them back or reconciling, you know that this is a disrespectful act for you. And when you don't respect yourself, you will not love yourself. Self-love is the direct result of self-respect. You need to engage in things that are good for you, that are elevating you. This is why I'm telling you guys, after a breakup, you need to do things for you, not to you. Working out, getting coaching, maybe getting my program, The Rise of the Phoenix, that help you heal after cheating. It's customized for that, my friends. By the way, now I'm offering that for $37, and it's very, for a very limited amount of time will be available at this price, and I really want you to have that, because on YouTube you can watch a lot of videos and it gets a little bit, even a lot, frustrating when you watch a lot of videos and get a lot of information. You don't really know where to place yourself. So I created this program for you to go from A to Z, step by step. You got to take care of yourself at this point, because when you do things for you, you elevate. Gym, like I said, working out, you know what it does to your brain? When you look better, you feel better, you start eating better, you stop drinking, stop smoking, don't engage in any kind of vices. And I made a lot of videos here, how to drop the vices, how to get over your ex, understanding their mind, the mind of the cheater, monkey branching, all of this just for you guys to heal and heal correctly. Because I went through betrayal myself. I documented. If you haven't watched it, go back to my channel, revisit, watch a lot of my videos that can really help you, and see my documentary where I was and where I am. And by the way, it's about a year since my breakup, since my ex cheated on me, monkey branched on me. And my life has been transformed forever because what I am sharing with you, because what I've done, the way I've done it, the thought processes and the actions I partook in changed me forever. I will never be the same. And it's not just about me being a coach, it's about me being a different man. I was a simp. I was a beta male, as they call it. Simp, beta male. I don't know even the lingo today. But I was a little bitch. Let's just put it that way. I didn't know how to be a man. And this is why I'm here to help you to become, if this is for the guys here, to become the man you know you are, that you know you can be and should be. And for the females, how to be more feminine and how to be more loving. With that said, you guys, I hope this video helped you. I'm sending you love and healing, and I'm here for you whenever you need me. Take care and stay strong. See you again in my next video.